Divide 852 by 4 in a long division method. 4 times 2 is 8. On subtracting, we get 0. So now we put down this 5 and 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting, we get 1. So this 1 is less than 4. So we put down this 2 and it is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. On subtracting, we get 0. So 852 divided by 4 is 214. So this much for today and thanks for watching.